Hi, good evening, guys, and we are back here with our 4 doctors who have five. Sorry, I forgot. So 5 guys, 5 doctors, 5 kiddos for me. They have been here for the last 3 days, and as we come towards the end of our 3 days hair restoration workshop, we would like, as usual, like to take a feedback from you guys. What you have learned, what you have expected, and what did you achieve, and was it really worth coming here? And how confident are you now? I'm sure it's not, you won't say that I'm going to drive now, but then we'll just definitely try and understand to what level you have reached after this, and we'd like to definitely understand so that our newer generation maxillofacial surgeons who could kind of gather things, and they could kind of incorporate this into their practice, because I have always thought maxillofacial surgery is a branch wherein we should be doing this aesthetic procedures, especially hair transplants. So I have been trying to say this is our branch and this is what we should be doing, and this is definitely a lucrative area to be working with. So you guys are there. I mean, I'm really happy. The young generation is now coming up, and we are old now. I think it is now. You guys have to take over. So I'd like to have a feedback, and our viewers would like to know what exactly you have done. So we'll start with Rajesh. It's okay. So you can go ahead with it. It's fine.
I came from
Dr. Rajesh is a maxillofacial surgeon from Vizag. Let me just introduce you. And he is doing his fellowship in trauma, and he's pursuing his PhD degree, and I don't know what all he is doing. So yeah, I've introduced now. It's all up to you.
Actually, we came from long distance from Andhra.
Vizag, I told him.
Yeah, Vizag is another state, sir, as of now. We followed Sir from many years in Insta, so we thought it's very best place to get hair transplantation course, nice exposure, new techniques, upgrade. We just want to upgrade into the cosmetology, as we are maxillofacial surgeon. We love our region, head and neck region. So we want to go and get the skills in hair transplantation as well as cosmetology also. We are coming on September also again here. Good.
Good.
To go through its botox, fillers and everything. We have pre-planned before coming here. After coming here also, we enjoyed everything, every bit here. Faculty, staff, hands-on also we got to get very much on patients. Everybody has segregated our work in the without any partiality. Also, we did our work decently for the first time. So we are hoping so we will do better in future.
So when do I see you doing your first case, Rajesh?
We are holding few cases, sir, but
Very super.
we have to arrange this OT light, everything to get in instruments and armamentarium. So we will start most probably next month by.
Good. What else? You want to say anything else?
As of now.
So how was me?
Yeah, I told you, sir, it's so friendly. Actually the theory class, how he taught is very extraordinary, because it's like I can't say in words, but it's like a very beautiful, so we can master it very easily. Practicals.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh. Thanks for all your compliments. And I hope to see you doing a lot of cases. Vizag should have somebody to like you to. Now let's go to Vyas. What do you have to say?
Hi, good evening. My place is a very rural area, Ichapuram in Srikakulam district. In that area, lot of less awareness is there. But in that area, we are doing so much of.
So I think that's the best part. You don't consider that you are in a small place and you can't do. I think all of us. I think what you will be doing is much more than what others will be doing. So because what happens is, if a small place, you can make your name faster. That's one big thing. I'll tell you what. So it's a very big thing, and that's an advantage which you will have. I'm sure you are going to do much better than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together, you will do much more than that.
That's why only we are updating for this course.
Yeah.
And and Sar also very good, and
He's so
You
shy,
don't have
but
to-
he's so shy, but in front of camera. If he's a patient comes for money, he will talk a lot.
and
But yeah.
that 3 day session is very good, and teaching also good skills, and practical also very good.
Would you like to say a couple of sentences in Telugu? I mean, if you're
For
comfortable
Telugu,
with
yours.
Telugu. Telugu is yours.
Yes. This is the best place.
No, in Telugu. I want to hear Telugu.
Uh,
Go. People are watching you. I mean, it is live.
Hi.
Telugu is like.
Come on, Telugu.
Chala.
That's it. Okay, no problem. I can understand that you're a very shy guy. But anyway, I think the feedback which I got from everybody and what I saw, I think of all 5 of you, you did the best. Seriously, I mean, that's what the feedback which I received from you had that kind of patience and you were doing really good. So I'm sure you will do very good in your practice. And good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm sure you will do very good.
He's
And
getting the
anything else that we
Cadbury.
have.
He's getting the Cadbury.
He's getting the Cadbury. He's getting the Dairy Milk. Okay, so let's now go to, who do we go to? Maybe we'll go to Deepak first. Deepak, with an maxillofacial background, what do you feel? I mean, where are we now and what should we do?
I think we need to explore more and more capabilities within our specialty. Everybody is doing a lot of stuff like orthognathic, trauma, cleft, and everything. I think HT nowadays it's more of awareness is there in our branch also.
Yeah.
More and more surgeons should do hair transplant because it belongs to our region. I
Yeah.
think it's good to explore that branch and create more and more awareness so that even if our maxillofacial surgeons do, even the general public also knows that we also do the lot of hair transplants and all. So before coming to course, I was seeing where to go and all. So first thing, if you see any cosmetic, the first city comes out is Mumbai. So in Mumbai, I was searching where to go. Then I found Dr. Arun sir, where there's a lot of active in Instagram, YouTube. I was being following way before from my undergrad itself. That one day I should meet you, I thought. But fortunately, I'm right in front of sir doing the course. I felt really nice doing the course because I never felt it like a course actually. It's like a very friendly environment. It's like just learning from your superior senior or someone like that. So it's not like a course, more like a friendly environment. Learned everything, tips and tricks, not like a boring theoretical class, boring do this, do that. It was really nice, sir, actually. Working along with you, seeing the case, understanding the tips and tricks. That's
How
really
confident are you now?
really confident enough to start a case, sir.
Yeah. It's obviously to master it, it's going to take time. So, but then-
Definitely, I'll start very soon once the OT is set up, and I'll definitely get back to you with the results.
Yes, that's very important. I mean, we got to share our results and things. Yes. So, what does Yash has to say? Dr. Yash is from Mauritius and he is going to become a dermatologist there and he is going to set up his own practice. What do you have to say? People from Mauritius are watching you.
So first I would like to thank you for the 3-day course.
Thank you so much.
And the first day I could polish my PLP skills.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. The way we did before and now it's totally a different view.
Oh, okay.
So I could do that. And also thank you for the transplant part, which is very tedious, very patience needed.
Yeah.
And usually have a lot of patients in Mauritius waiting for a hair transplant. We don't really have a dedicated center.
Okay.
So we'd like to gather all our patients and in the near future we'll see you there. We'll have the best surgeon, the hair vet for them.
Sure. Well, I think if you don't have a dedicated transplant center, I think it's not a bad thing to do.
Yeah.
I mean, you could do that.
Yeah. But still we need to have a good team over there.
Right.
Because it is not a one-man job.
Yes, that's very important. It's definitely not a one-man job. I mean, you would have realized that over a period of 3 years. I mean, it's not a one-person's job.
Because we've seen how you train your patients over here.
Yeah.
How your staff is trained, how they do it, it's just flawless.
Yeah. So obviously we'll have to build up our team and things like that. Yeah. it's important, yeah. So Yash, what you didn't like about us? Let me ask you this question straight. Is there anything, I mean, which you should think, I mean, we are live, but I don't know if you want to share anything.
Usually I'm the camera person.
You're not a camera person.
Yeah, so the lighting, video things.
It's really scary. But I think this will make you open up more.
Yeah.
I mean, it's somewhere I think it is very important.
It is a
It's
positive.
important. It has got its own positive face. Yes, it definitely has. And thank you for flying down all the way from Mauritius to be with us. And good luck to you. And we'll look forward to do a lot of cases there.
Not only hair transplants, surgeries also.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we'll soon be setting up the OT.
Yeah.
Even the dentistry wing will be there. So
Wow.
we'll be there for the inaugurations.
Yeah, sure. So we will be there, and for sure, and we'll try and make it one of the best cosmetic centers of Mauritius. For sure, it will be. It will be definitely there. So now let's come to. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Now let's come to finally. What does Dr. Sarath has to say?
First, thank you for the opportunity, sir. First, when I finished my postgrad, the amount of knowledge, to be honest, had in hair and the region of scalp was very less comparatively. I was thinking, it was a 3-day program. Will that be enough for me to at least get the idea of starting my own cases of hair transplant once I go back to Hyderabad? But I feel like, okay, maybe initial stage will be a struggle. Like even in my field, when I started my extractions or impactions or implants, first few cases were difficult, obviously. But at least I got the confidence now that when I go back, I can try the different techniques which you taught in PRK and hair transplant and all the small tips and tricks which you have taught. If I can incorporate them in my basis, like whenever I get my cases, I feel I can do a good job. And thanks to you that in a long run, hopefully I'll be successful.
That's nice. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, if you are confident, it's no. I mean, as a surgeon with a surgical background, I don't think we should have an issue with it. Anyway, thank you guys for coming all the way here and being with us for three days. And I'm really sorry I couldn't get you spicy food. You guys are missing spicy Andhra food for like 3 days. But anyway, I really enjoyed thoroughly these last 3 days. It was really fun to be with you guys. And it always feels nice when you are with youngsters, you know. It really feels nice. You get energetic. You get that energy, nice energy from you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks once again, all of you. And thank you guys for always being with us and watching us. And it's really nice to see so many views, few views, reels and this thing. It reaches to almost 300,000 views and all. That shows how people love us. That is what I feel is what, ultimately this is what matters. How people like you, and it's really, really nice. It's really nice. I mean, to know that people like you, and that's really nice. Thank you once again, guys. And for those of you who would like to, maxillofacial surgeons, ENT surgeons, or any surgeon, if you would like to upgrade yourself to cosmetic surgeries, aesthetics, facial aesthetics, and hair restoration, we are more than happy to have you here for our workshops and fellowships. So you're most welcome here. And if you have any more queries, we are most welcome to get in touch with us. Thank you guys once again for watching, and thank you guys for being here with us. 3 cheers. Good luck to you. Huh?